Hey guys, in this quick video I'll be showing you guys how I create my simple IGTV thumbnails using KeyNote for macOS. Simply launch KeyNote and choose any template. I tend to go with black. Click on Document and then Slide Size. Select Custom Slide Size. Set width to 1080p and height to 1920p. Download the green 1080p by 1080p image linked in the description box down below and drag it into KeyNote. Move it around until you see a cross, which signifies that the image is now centrally aligned. Using this green image, I'm able to determine what shows up in the thumbnail when people scroll through my post feed. Everything within that green area will show up in your IG post feed thumbnail. Drag the image you wish to use for your thumbnail into KeyNote, then proceed to resize it to fit into the green area by dragging its edges. This next step isn't really necessary, but I like doing it so as to make my image transparent so that it blends with the main background of the IGTV thumbnail. When I'm done, I reposition the image a bit more within the green area, and then when I'm satisfied, I export the image and I'm done. Do please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.